Oh my God! A close encounter of the turd kind!
I was just outside of Roswell, New Mexico when it hit me. I was about to diarrhea myself. Big time. I stumbled out of the car, and I barely got my pants down when... It was so glorious. I almost forgot to pull down my boxer briefs, which would have been a big mistake, let me tell you. And then I guess I blacked out. When I came to, more than an hour had passed, and my pants were gone. I never found them. All that was left was the diarrhea I had diarrheaed. And it was most wondrous to behold.
Developed in 1997 by England's Bristol Royal Institute, the Bristol Stool Scale classifies human feces into 7 categories. Today's subject is classified as Type 6, mushy consistency with ragged edges. It is, in fact, diarrhea. Because the fecal matter is in liquid form, Chief Turd Coroner Dr. Harry Garyakis will attempt to chemically analyze the sample.
Many times, when a person witnesses paranormal or extraterrestrial entities, he, she, or they will simply soil themselves. And when you think about it, it just makes sense. The government, the church, whatever powers that be that come into play in these types of situations, they don't want us to know. I mean, they're clearly not advertising it. Some of the most compelling evidence for alien life comes in the form of turds. Be they human or miscellaneous.
Promethium, for God's sake. There's maybe 600 grams of it on Earth at any given time, and this diarrhea is practically swimming with the stuff. I want answers, and I want them now.
Let me see that. These results can't be right.
Fecal microbiologist Dr. Rudy Smoot attempts to confirm the test results by studying the molecular structure of the excrement under a microscope.
59, 60, 61 electrons. Well, shut my mouth. It is promethium. Enough to power Cincinnati for a fortnight. I just don't believe it.
I didn't either. That's why I sent a sample to the lab in Annapolis where they have the fecal particle accelerator.
I mean, if it helps y'all any, my butt hurt. And I mean hurt the next day. But I figured it was just from the... I'm not trying to celebrate it or anything, but I've seen TV, and it seems like when it's aliens, you're living in a fool's paradise if you think they're not gonna take a gander up the old hidey hole.
This shit's making my fingers tingle. And it smells like an X-ray machine. from the 50s.
Well, it is highly radioactive.
I have the results, but you aren't going to like them.
God damn it, man! I'm a scientist! I just want answers! No. No! No!
We only know what they want us to know. You know? You don't know. And that's exactly what they want us to know. Everybody knows that.